kind of demeaning to us because we're out here trying to help y'all.
Oh,
and you're acting like you're all scared.
I've just been in a lot of different situations.
Sir, can you get your hand out of your pocket?
Yes, sir. My
Thank
hands
you.
are up.
Here you go. Turn around. Here's your ID.
Just go ahead and put it in my 2 fingers.
Turn around.
I'm scared.
Just, I don't.
Well, I mean, you could turn your phone. I know.
Can you just put it in my finger?
Okay. And
I
now,
appreciate it. More unsafe.
More unsafe for
I'm just gonna
us
keep
or
my.
you?
I'm just gonna keep my back turned to you so you can't say or.
Okay, that's fine.
But yeah.
The video captures a tense confrontation where a Farmington police officer orders a young man out of his vehicle simply because the citizen giggled out of nervousness. According to the United States Supreme Court in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, the police officer must be able to point to specific and articulable facts which, taken together with rational inferences from those facts, reasonably warrant that intrusion. Instead of identifying a legitimate crime, the officer admits he is retaliating for the perceived disrespect, stating he is giving a ticket because the boyfriend is being an ass. This abuse of authority highlights how minor park ordinances are weaponized by corrupt law enforcement to enforce absolute compliance through intimidation.
so how old are you, sir?
18.
18?
Yes, sir. I went to Farmington and then I transferred over to Fayetteville.
Okay. You graduate this year?
I do.
I mean, I have my debit card, but
Okay.
Okay. Lauren Walker is my name.
Lauren Walker?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry about this. I didn't know this.
I mean,
part
do you
was
think it's funny,
closed.
sir?
Just the fact that you're checking the debit card was pretty funny.
I'm checking her name. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me tell you how this is going to go, okay? Now that you think it's so funny, I'm fixing to give her a ticket for not having her ID on her. How about that? You think that's funny?
What? How can you? Okay.
Just,
Because it's a state law.
All right.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry your boyfriend's being an ass?
What have I done wrong? Is this
I'm sorry for the
Do
situation.
what?
Stop speaking. Stop.
Okay, go ahead and pull him out of the car.
For what?
What am I being pulled out of the car for right now?
Because you think everything's so funny.
You can't.
I can have an opinion. Can I not have an opinion?
You can?
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Sergeant Collins.
Collins.
Okay, with the Farmington Police
Why
Department.
am I being pulled out of the car tonight?
Because.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
Oh, one of those. Well, you're a funny guy. Stand right there.
I'm scared for my life right now. Yeah. I'm gonna record it all.
We're recording it too. So.
Okay. I'm glad. Like I know you
Well, I'm
are.
just letting you know.
Like this. What if I haven't done nothing wrong. We're about to leave.
Okay. Can I say something?
Can I tell you something?
Can I say something first,
ahead.
then you can
Yes, sir.
respond?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
The reason that we're here is like Sergeant Collins already told you.
Someone
Park
called
closes
you.
at 10 o'clock.
Someone called you.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think happens at parks late at night? Usually that's why they have an ordinance.
People use drugs and drink.
drugs,
but
sell drugs,
Did you smell?
use drugs. No, let me finish, okay?
Are we
then you
doing
can,
any of that?
Let me finish and you can continue, okay? And the other is people out here underage doing stuff. Can you stop and stand right here?
Yes, sir.
Like I asked you to, please.
Yes, sir.
Can you step back? Thank you.
Yes,
I appreciate that.
As the encounter escalates, the young man utilizes his smartphone to record the interaction, sparking an immediate, hostile reaction from the officers on the scene. As established by the First Amendment to the United States Constitution, Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble. The sergeant falsely claims that the Supreme Court has ruled citizens do not have the right to videotape the police, an outright lie meant to force the camera down. By continuing to film, the driver successfully documents the officer's aggressive shifting stories, vulgar language, and threats to ruin his night.
So, we're obviously going to come check up on you. We're going to ID you, okay?
And I gave you my ID, and
Okay.
I laughed, and I've been pulled out of the
Okay,
car
but-
for laughing. Is that really necessary?
Yeah, we can pull you out. We don't have to have a reason to pull you out of the car.
Can I not laugh?
And we don't have to have a reason to pull
want
you out of the car.
I'm just a funny, like, when I'm nervous, I laugh, and I'm very nervous right now.
And you feel for your life because we're so
Yes, I
intimidating?
do. This man has constantly pulled me over and harassed
Oh,
me.
he has?
Yes,
Okay.
he has. So that's why I pulled out my camera.
Why
instantly.
did he pull you over in the past?
I
Speeding or
don't-
something?
No, it's
Had no
I don't
reason
have-
whatsoever. He
I
just
don't
pulled
have-
you over because he
I don't
didn't
have
like
to
you?
tell either y'all,
Oh, okay.
but he has.
I mean, I could run you very easily and find out why.
I know you can. Go get your go run my ID.
He's already doing that.
Good.
But you want some advice? I mean, you're
I
18,
don't.
right?
I'm not doing anything wrong. You can't arrest me for
Actually,
anything.
you are, because he could very
Okay, yeah,
easily
okay.
write you a citation
Okay.
for being at the park after.
He said he would, so
Okay. In the future, if you don't want tickets,
just leave the park. Yes, sir.
no. if you don't want to take it,
Be
and
nice. Yeah.
just be normal.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
be
No,
nice. I mean,
yeah, well, you
there's
got-
no reason for it.
I know Farmington PD. It's.
Okay. Well,
I'm just gonna do my thing. And,
okay, you can do your thing, and you can accumulate some tickets. You get enough of them, you know. Maybe you can
Okay.
frame them or something. Because there's no need for it.
Yeah. But you guys are gonna do it anyway.
No, actually, we were going to log you and ask you to leave politely, and you decided you didn't want to do that.
I laughed because he wanted to read a debit card. We couldn't just say our names or whatever.
Okay. Do you like being disrespected?
Yeah.
Do you like to be disrespected?
I'm-
Yes or no?
I'm-
Honestly, it's a
I'm
simple question. It's a
being
yes or no.
disrespected right now. Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you weren't here after hours, you wouldn't be even being talking to us, would you? Didn't think so.
This is what happens.
When you break the law, this is what happens.
Yeah. Laughing is breaking the law. I'm getting pulled out of the car.
No,
for
being
laughing.
at the park after hours is a C ordinance. So yeah. And actually, I'll have to
I
double
don't-
check. But
I'm
I'm
a-
pretty sure that Supreme Court has ruled that you don't have the right to videotape us.
Go ahead and check because I can videotape whatever I want. It's
I'm
public.
pretty sure
It's
you're
public
wrong.
ground. This is public. I can do whatever I
And
want.
it's closed. So actually, it's not open to the public
It's
right now.
public,
That's
yeah.
why we're here, right?
Dude,
Right?
you're not gonna tell me I can't record right now. Like I'm fearing,
I'm telling you
fearing for my
future
life right
reference,
now.
Fear for your life because we're
I've
out here being sued.
I've seen thousands of people record this same thing because
yeah,
they're
and
scared.
it went to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court.
And if
has
anything
followed.
happens, this is for my safety. That's all it is.
Look
Can
at
you
this.
respect
Look at
that?
this. Look at this.
I don't trust that. Go
You don't
ahead
trust
and
that?
yeah,
Okay.
don't worry about it.
All right, the new generation. Gotta love
Yeah.
y'all.
Love you too.
We're in for some doom in this world.
Love you too.
I really do love you. That's why I do
No,
the
you
job I
don't.
do. For people just like you. Because guess what? You go home, someone breaks in your house, you can call 911. Regardless, what do you think of me? I'm going to show up and I'm going to do whatever I can to protect you. Even though you're in fear of your life
This
from
ain't,
us.
this ain't being protectful at all. This is just harassment.
Very much harassing.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm out of the car right now because I giggled and he got.
You're out of the car for
his-
officer
his-
safety.
His ego is extremely offended. This isn't. I feel like if anything, this is more unsafe.
More unsafe for
I'm just gonna
us
keep
or
my.
you?
I'm just gonna keep my back turned to you so you can't say your.
Okay, that's fine.
But yeah, he started screaming and cursing and
Screaming and cursing? Who was screaming and
He
cursing?
started yelling and cursing and getting
Oh,
very.
now we're lying so we can post it on YouTube?
He was getting so. I have it on video.
I have it on video too.
He
No
was.
one
He literally
screaming.
started cussing and yelling
No
at
one
us.
was screaming or cussing, dude.
I can stop it and pull it up, but I'm not gonna.
Go ahead and post it on YouTube, and I'll post ours right next to it.
I don't
because you're
even.
full of crap.
I don't even need to post it on YouTube. I just want to protect myself right now.
Okay. I protected you a lot, and you don't even know that.
I
do
don't
you?
know you.
Yeah, you don't have to know me. I
So-
went to Iraq to fight for people like you that are over here.
Thank you,
being
sir. I
stupid.
appreciate it. We're not doing. Sorry, we were about to leave. We got ice cream. We came
And that's
right
fine.
back.
And y'all would already been gone if you were just been compliant.
We were. He asked for my ID. I asked him why, and I pulled it out. She didn't have hers.
Then you started becoming.
I giggled because I'm nervous.
You were being rude.
I'm sorry. I giggled out of nervousness.
Out of nervousness, you giggled. No,
Yeah. Do you not see my? Do you not see my arm? Do you not see my arm shaking?
No, honestly, I don't.
You too. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
How old's your girlfriend?
17. Yes, sir.
Your mom wants you to head home and call her as soon as possible. Okay? So, you're good to go. Okay? You didn't have your phone last time I dealt with you, did you?
You're a little more aggressive this time, so I'm gonna pull it out.
For his safety, because he's scared.
Yeah, you're pretty aggressive every time, so I just went ahead and did it this time.
Yeah, and that's why.
And the curse words and the spitting and yeah.
Was you with him last time I dealt with y'all? When he had the 4 girls in there? You was in there? wasn't
Yeah,
you?
she was. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my
See,
girlfriend.
I was the
You
same
going to college,
officer.
buddy?
You know, we worked
Yeah.
this shift.
Where are you going to college?
You know.
If you don't mind me asking.
Diesel mechanics.
Diesel mechanic?
Yes, sir.
That's hard work.
Yes, sir. It is. I'm a hard worker.
That's good.
I'm going to the oil field next.
Really?
Yes, sir.
We're at Oklahoma?
Wisconsin with my father.
Wisconsin?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you not being rude anymore.
I'm not being rude. I wasn't rude to begin
Yes,
with,
sir.
man. It's just
I'm-
frustrating
yeah,
when
yeah.
people,
I agree.
you know, we're out here trying to do protect people and trying to
I
help you,
agree.
trying to help anyone else.
I agree.
And when people get this kind of attitude and start filming stuff because they feel for their lives, that's kind of demeaning to us because we're out here trying to help y'all.
Oh,
And you're
I've just
acting
been
like
in.
you're all scared
I've
of
just
us.
been in a lot of different situations.
Sir, can
than
you
you
get your
probably-
hand out of your pocket?
Yes, sir. My
Thank
hands
you.
are up.
Here you go. Turn around. Here's your ID.
Just go ahead and put it in my 2 fingers.
Turn around.
Scared.
Just I don't.
Well, I mean, you could turn your phone. I know.
Can you just put it in my fingers?
Okay. And
I
now,
appreciate it.
you know, you're trying to talk yourself into a
I'm not.
citation.
I don't want to do any. I'm just sitting here doing my thing. I just want to go on my
Okay.
go on my way.
Walk to your car.
And I have my keys and my stuff
Yeah,
in her car.
get it. I'm scared for her safety. So we're going to let you get in your car.
She feels safe around me, not you guys. Love you too.
That ain't very safe walking backwards. You're liable to trip.
Well, it's better than you guys thinking I'm gonna do something.
Okay, you have a good night.
You too.
Drive safe.
Yep. Always do in Farmington.
The remaining footage exposes the deeply flawed defense mechanisms used by corrupt police when their fragile egos are bruised by everyday human reactions. Under the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution, the people have a right to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures. The officer attempts to disguise his unlawful, ego-driven detention by falsely claiming that forcing the compliant driver out of the car was done for officer safety. Ultimately, the recording serves as undeniable evidence of misconduct, proving that the citizens were completely safe until the police manufactured a crisis out of personal pride.